Rowan tree care. How to grow and care for rowan tree. Grow and harvest mountain ash. Rowan trees, also known as mountain ash trees, are a beautiful and hardy addition to any garden or landscape. They are relatively easy to grow and care for, making them a popular choice for gardeners of all skill levels. Here are some tips for how to grow and care for rowan trees. Growing rowan trees. Choosing the right location. Rowan trees prefer well-draining soil and plenty of sunlight, so choose a location that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. They can tolerate some shade, but too much shade can make them susceptible to disease. Planting. Rowan trees can be planted in the fall or early spring. Dig a hole that is twice as wide and deep as the root ball, and place the tree in the hole. Backfill the hole with soil and water thoroughly. Watering. Rowan trees prefer moist, but not wet, soil. Water deeply once a week, especially during hot, dry weather. Fertilizing. Rowan trees don't require much fertilizer, but you can give them a boost in the spring with a balanced fertilizer. Mulching. Mulch around the base of the tree with a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch, such as wood chips or shredded leaves. This will help retain moisture in the soil and suppress weeds. Caring for rowan trees. Pruning. Rowan trees don't require much pruning, but you can remove any dead, diseased, or damaged branches in the late winter or early spring. Pest and disease control. Rowan trees are generally resistant to pests and diseases, but they can be susceptible to fire blight, powdery mildew, and aphids. Keep an eye out for any signs of disease or infestation, and treat as necessary. Harvesting. Rowan trees produce small, red berries in the fall. These berries are edible, but they are quite bitter and are usually used to make jams, jellies, and liqueurs. Winter protection. Rowan trees are hardy to USDA Zone 3, but they can still be susceptible to winter damage, especially if they are young. Protect young trees from winter damage by wrapping the trunk with burlap or tree wrap. Rowan trees are a beautiful and hardy addition to any garden or landscape. With the right growing conditions and care, they can thrive for many years, providing beauty and interest throughout the seasons.